Hi everyone. Can you hear me? Now can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please can you reply? Can you hear me? Okay, fine. So, hi Ishan. Okay, thank you for making me understand. Okay, welcome to Virtual Institute of Design. This is Preeti Bansal, the founder and CEO of the institute, an interior designer and a lecturer. Today we are here for a good session with Vidhi Sanghvi Khatlawala, a great successful interior designer, and we'll be having a nice talk related to color combinations today. So till then, she'll be joining us soon. So till then, I would like you to brief about our institute, Virtual Institute of Design. We are offering two courses, interior designing and fashion designing. Yes, interior designing degree diploma courses, and same with the fashion designing also. Admissions are open, so you all can contact us, you all can message us, and you all can visit to our sites for the details. So yes, Vidhi is here. Hi Vidhi. Wait, she'll be there. Please send me the request now, Vidhi. She'll be there. She'll be joining us soon, and we'll be having a great session over color combinations, importance of color combinations in interior design, and how we should plan the color concepts for different elements we are applying. So everything she'll be explaining us in detail regarding interior designing. So she'll be there soon with us. So I would like, just send me the request now if you can hear me, Vidhi. She owns Fuse Design. She's honors at Fuse Design, and she believes in fusion of designs with different types of manner. Yeah, Vidhi is there with us. Hi
Hi,
Vidhi.
hi,
Hi.
hi, how are
How's
you?
you?
Good, good.
Okay, so I was just introducing about you to my viewers that we'll be having a talk regarding color combinations today in interiors.
Yeah,
So I would
yeah.
like you to, first I would like to welcome you to Virtual Institute of Design from our team
Thank
and
you.
myself. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. And also I would like you to introduce yourself, that also you could share your success journey to our viewers first.
Sure. Yeah, myself, Vidhi Sangvi Khatlawala, and I've done a interior designing course after 12. I'm sorry, it's repeating in my ears, so
Sorry.
I'm not able to hear you properly.
Okay, I am getting your voice clearly. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible, but I'm listening my voice twice, so maybe
Okay,
you're on
maybe
speaker?
because we are using earphones, na, that it happens sometimes.
Oh, okay, fine.
We can hear you clearly. We can hear you clearly.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've done an interior designing course at the School of Interior Designing after 12th. That is for 4 years degree course.
Yeah.
So I've done a 7th semester, and the last one was including the internship.
Yes. Nice.
And after that, I've worked and done a job for like 2.5 years at one of a very known architect.
Okay.
And right now I'm practicing my own as a fuse designer.
That
Yeah,
we can see, we have gone across to your work and everything. So,
thank you.
we are happy to see you here with us.
Yeah, thank you. It's my first time at your live, so I'm quite.
Yeah. So also, Vidhi, can you just give reviews about how you find Virtual Institute of Design from your point of view?
Okay, so I found it the layout and everything very well planned,
Yeah.
and the color combination are so bright and vibrant. They are actually, I mean, they're eye-catching. Each and all the rooms are different shades and well planned. I really like it. Yeah. I
Okay.
also
Thank
like
you.
the black ceiling with artist work, which is
Yes.
innovative, and the logo behind you is also
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
Also, you must be knowing about the key factor that augmented reality and virtual reality of our institute.
Yes, I'm aware of that, but when I was studying, we never had such kind of thing. But right now it's too
Yeah.
much in trend, and I think your institute is the only one who is introducing VR and AR
Yes.
thing. So that's really
Yes.
nice. Hoping for the best, and congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. So, hope you will be here for the demonstration and everything with AR VR technology for your projects also.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. So, Vidhi will start with the session soon. As I would like to start first with what are your views? What is interior design? What are your point of view regarding that?
Okay. So as an interior designing, okay, you can hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
I can hear you.
So as an interior designing, I like to make spaces which is functional, safe, beautiful, and
Yeah.
that should determine the space requirement and selecting essentials and decorative items like colors, furniture, ceiling, and materials, flooring, etc.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So very
So
well said. Even I, yeah.
yeah, continue.
Okay, I was telling to my viewers that any questions regarding color combinations in interiors you can ask on the screen. We'll be sorting it out, so be ready with your questions also. In the meanwhile, I'll be asking a few things which will help you for your futures. So
Sure.
please keep a note of it to all the viewers I'm telling. Okay. So with the next, I would like to ask you, did you like what all are the important points like we should keep in mind why, as we are an interior designer, like studying, then internship period, all scope of interiors, everything. A short idea from your side regarding all such things.
Yeah, so I'll share you my personal experience that when
Yeah.
I studied interior designing, I did not knew that I need to work under someone as a job because for this field you need to have a good exposure and practice, and that only comes when you work under someone. So that is the main thing to learn under someone. And when we learn in the college, that is totally different. And what we learn at the office, the practical thing is totally different. So I would suggest each
Yes.
and everyone, whoever complete the course, first have at least 3 to 4 years of the experience under
Yes.
someone or working with someone, and then start your own to have a successful life.
Yeah, so very well said by Vidhi. So please, students, keep a note over it that you should take, training first before going for your own.
Yeah,
You can think, you can keep aside your future plans, but meanwhile, you should take training for first. And Vidhi, if you have seen, if you have gone through our programs, you can see that VID is working for with that motives only. We will be providing better internships, will be giving on-campus interviews, so that they can get
yeah.
better trainings from good persons, good agencies, good offices, and then they can have their
Yeah.
bright future with their own firms. Yeah. So
Yeah, so
further, I would
internship
like to.
is
Yes.
Internship is like a core for us to learn. I mean, without internship, the course doesn't get finished. You don't get the
Yes.
certified for this. So it
Yes,
is the
yes.
must thing to have, and I think that's the core thing to learn. Yeah, internship with a very good architect under some really good architect.
True, true. Okay, so further, I would like to go with the topic now. That is, what do you think about what is color theory, according to you, your perspective?
Right. So, as an interior designer, it is not only advice to the client for the largest plans and installation of the material or the product furniture placement chosen for the design scheme. But designer must have a knowledge about the color combination.
Okay.
So, hello.
Yeah, just a second. Okay, we can continue.
Yeah, so color is the most difficult part as an interior designer to get right on the right proportion. So few are the rules which I would like to share, and
Yes,
that can make sure that the colors look balanced in the interior space.
yes,
So there are four rules. So first I'll start, that is 60, 30, and 10%, which is a first rule.
yes.
So like choosing a one color that is the shade color, a dominant color, that comes for the 60% of the interior space. As an example, a room. So the 60% of the walls or something should be a single tone.
Yeah,
Okay. And the next comes the secondary color that is a bit bolder color, you can say. That can
yeah.
be a 30%.
Okay,
Right. And then finally comes the last 10%. And that is again the boldest shade, that 10% should be the boldest shade.
okay.
So whenever we are designing a room, it's a rule that should be a room in a balanced way, like 60, 30, and 10%.
Okay.
So it can be a wall, it can be a furniture, it can be a decor thing, it can be a vases, it can be artifacts, wall art, so many things. But everything has to be balanced and in a proportion way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the second rule comes is the warm and the cool colors.
Yeah.
Okay. So the warm colors are like red, orange, and yellow. They are
Yes.
the one because they are more vibrant, and they also one color is a brown that also goes as a warm color.
Yes. Yes.
Now, as we talk about the cool colors, so those colors are like green, purple, blue, also the gray. These are the cool colors, and while choosing colors, warm colors give effect to the energy to the space, and when we select the
Yes.
warm colors, those are the upbringing colors, welcoming feeling colors.
True.
So you can say in a entertainment room or maybe a
Yes.
kitchen, a dining can be a warm color, a single wall
Okay.
can be a warm color. Yeah.
Yes.
And when we talk about the cool colors, those are the soft colors, and those are the used specially for the mainly for the bedrooms, I feel, and the
Yes.
office
Yes.
spaces.
Yes.
Yeah, because those are the calming energy to the space. So those are the soft colors.
Yeah. So you
So
can
that
see
is
that we have
warm
also
and
applied.
cool.
Yes, no, I
Sorry?
was connecting my thing that you have also seen that we have used bright colors in a combination in every classroom so that it gives energy to the
Yes,
students, to be attentive
yes.
with the work and everything. Like they will not feel all the time cool or not all the time warm, but we have blended the themes.
Yes, yes, definitely. You have really combined very well and balanced with the colors, two colors in every room. and
Yeah.
all rooms are so separate, and I like it. I really like it. Yeah, your
Yeah.
institute is well planned. Yes.
Yeah.
Also, your seminar hall is very nice. The way you have
Yeah.
planned the sitting and the couches are there. Yeah, very
Yeah.
playful, and the kids can enjoy. Yes,
Yeah.
it's not really
Even
kind of a
I am
studying style.
connected. Today I'm connected because it's more about colors and we have also played with colors a lot. So I'm totally connected
Yes,
with the topic
yes.
today. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I'll go further with the color and combination. Rule number three,
Yeah.
that comes the complementary color scheme.
Yes.
So that is the simplest and the easiest way to get the go with this color, because it has the two shades, like two shades from the same color family,
Okay.
right? So it can be, as you see in the color wheel, you see the opposite colors from the same
Yes.
family. That
Yes.
is called a complementary color. So, like if you choose one is warm color, then other will be the cool color. So, either a bold and a bright look, or soothing and a cool color atmosphere. Combinations are like blue, orange, yellow, purple, red, and green. These are the colors. These colors are pairing extremely high contrast. Okay, these
Yes.
pairing, which I said, are totally different. The pairing is totally different, but this brings a strong energy to the space when
Okay.
designing with the interior, like couches and a single sofa,
Yes.
or so these are one single things which is bright, vibrant, and again this should be a neutral with other colors, like it should balance with it.
Okay.
The neutral shade, like gray, beige, white.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yeah, so these are the simple colors which we usually go for the interior walls or ceiling.
Yes.
So this has to be well balanced, and uh, neutral shades becomes the more part as a 60%.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And then the last is the analogous color scheme. That is again the neutrals mix of white, black, and gray color, which gives a sleek and modern look to the interior. When you're looking for a light furniture, or you're looking a modern kind of a furniture,
Yes.
a modern you can say kitchen. These days
Yes.
kitchens, kitchens are really in, like slick designs and slick handles and that. So
Yes.
for that you must go with the black, white, or gray colors, even for the cabinets and the
Yeah.
platform. Yeah, so these are the four main color rules.
Yes. Yes.
Is any
Okay. So
questions?
further.
So many my friends are saying hi.
Okay. They all are viewing your video today. So everyone is saying hi. Okay, we'll move further with the thing is what is the importance of combinations in interiors? Like why it is important or what is important of color combinations in interior?
Why it is important to have a color combination?
Yeah,
I'm not able
sometimes
to hear you.
people what is
Okay.
importance of color combinations in interiors?
Okay. So I would say interior designer is not only the advisor for the client, as I said earlier. The advice should not only for the layout or plans, installation, materials. The colors are the main rule. After completing the project, if the colors are not balanced rightly, I feel that place is dead. There's no fun looking at that place.
True.
So it makes a major rule into the
Okay.
interiors for the, yeah,
So
for
sometimes, do you find we need to be bold at times to use any color combinations, or bold colors are there. Sometimes people ask, it happens many times with me also when I experiment with the colors. So do you believe we should go with the experimenting on color combination?
Experimenting in color combination, many people does that. Many people does
Yes.
that. It's a personal choice. Some people like neutral, some people like bright, some people like gray, lighter shades. It's everyone's
Okay.
different taste. And as your institute is so bright, so that shows your you look really bright in that.
Yeah, yeah. It is a saying that
So
color combination are
my choice
the.
is more like white and subtle colors and neutral shades, and then popping with a brighter shade of a couch or a pillow or artifacts or something like that. So I basically like simple things and light things, and you'll see my house
True.
is really less furniture because that's how I like. I don't like so much
Yeah.
of colors.
Academia colors. Okay. Okay, so according to you, it reflects the characteristics or personality of the person at some
Of
point.
course. Yes, yes, definitely. When it comes to the fashion, of course, that also shows. So here also it shows.
Okay.
Some
Okay.
people you see
Okay.
wearing really brighter colors every day, and some people you'll see only
Yeah.
black, white, and gray and blue. So they are the choice and the personality.
Yeah.
So
So, yeah, it is also saying that when we are designing living room, we have to be very much, we have to give a thought for color combinations and everything because people, the family is coming over there and relaxing themselves. So, a living room should be, a living room is we find it a important place for a family. It's a family city. So,
yeah,
what do you think? What kind of a color we should, advise for a living room?
for the living room you're asking. Okay.
Yeah,
So living room, designing the room, especially the colors, first we finalize with the flooring.
yeah.
Flooring nowadays are gray, white, black, not a black, gray is the shade, the brownish shade and the white mostly. And
Yeah.
people usually go for the white ceiling.
Yes.
Or when it's, what does it say? One second. When you see some industrial buildings, industrial styles houses, or there you see high ceilings and wooden we
Yes,
say
yes, yes. Craft
yeah.
and
So
yes.
those are the darker shades. One second, huh? One second. Yeah, so we are talking about the living room. So living room depends again. The couches can be the darker shade, and one couch can be a sofa can be lighter shade. There are multiple uh, ready sofas are
Options. Yeah.
available. Yeah, so
Yes.
I don't think so nowadays. There are very less people who go to make sofa in the house. Otherwise, nowadays everyone just take a ready-made thing. So it's just
Yeah.
we have to balance with the cushions.
Yeah. True.
And the center tables are always laminated or a glass or a lamination or
Yes.
that way. Or you won't see any brighter color in the living room except the cushions.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Very
so
true. Like
it's
they become the
every
highlighter part.
yeah, so everything is so much balanced, everything is neutral. The sofas will be like a gray, white again, not a white, a gray, a shade of lighter blue, or a leather sofa, or a
Yeah.
silk sofa. Yeah.
True.
So I think,
So,
yeah, just the cushions, I would say, that only enhance the space. And again,
yes.
when placing the cushions into the sofa, I would say that that also has to be balanced. Not too much light.
Yeah. Yeah. So, what you
I
can say
hope you are
about the back design, the color combinations used
VID.
at my logo? You can find it. So we have used two, three colors blended together, and we have created a logo. So Like what you will find from this, like what kind of colors, or it should be, in that way or not.
No, I think whatever is done is quite soothing. I mean, it is it's bright. What you have tried to show with the eyes, and it's nice. I'm just worried with the background. Otherwise, the logo and everything is quite proper. But
Okay.
maybe you can try or change the color at your back. That's my
Okay.
choice. Not
Okay,
necessary to
okay,
have
okay.
yours
So
also.
it depends on the person to person. Say again, it depends on the person to person. The color choice affects the mentality and the choice of person to person, right? So when
Yeah.
you design, okay, when you go with your projects with me, so the color combinations right now, as you said, yes, you must be liking it, but according to me, it's like soothing for me. So when you are working at your projects, do you go with the client's choice? Like you discuss, obviously you must be discussing with the clients, but then how you are coping with the color combinations? Your thoughts, or you take the client's recommendations into consideration also?
So as an interior designer, it's my duty to advise them to what are the trends, and I will give them the references. And nowadays, clients give references to us that I want it to same like this because they are so clear about what they are wanting. So our role for designing becomes very less when they come up with their opinions, and few people are just they are looking identically that way, that we want something like this.
True, true, true.
Yeah. So when I design, I ask my clients to go with my color shade, and I never had such problems. So they're always okay with my choice and selection. And in fact, they choose me because they like my work. So I never had any
Okay.
problem with that. Yeah.
Nice, very nice. Okay,
Because
so
when
that's
clients
a
select the interior designer, they know the taste and the work of the. When they come to the interior designer or the architect, they are aware of everything,
yeah,
ups
the
and
kind of
downs,
work.
what are the styles, what are the work they are doing, and how much period they are completing, everything.
Okay,
Yeah, so I never
okay,
had such problems, and my clients are also very, never had any kind of issues or argue with me. So I'm
okay.
lucky to have such clients.
No, no, that's true. That we never, like many a times, we never go with the arguments and everything. But sometimes, one of the member of the family is something. Sometimes, મને આ કલર જોઈતું તું આપણે આ કલર કરીએ તો કેવું રહેશે, like maybe a wife or a children, like it happens sometimes કે they insist us many a times કે પપ્પા કોને એમને મને તો પિંક કલર જ જોઈએ છે મારા બેડરૂમમાં. So we have to make them understand at times કે like it is okay if we put at some part, but the whole room thing, sometimes it doesn't go, because maybe a teenager girl, what I find, it may be a teenager girl, that after a few years she must be not liking that color anymore. So in that way, so any of the thing happened with you anytime regarding color combinations or something?
My sister is saying hi. Hi, Pooja. Yeah, so I think all my clients, whenever I go and before the meeting, in the meeting, we discuss like what the girl needs. If she's asking for the pink color, then I give two, three options, like can be with the bedding, a
Right.
textures, bed line, or can be a background of the pinkish, but not really a pink. So I try to convince her, or maybe that the walls cannot be the pink nowadays. Still, people ask
Yes,
for it because they have
yes,
such kind
yes.
of that bubbly dream that my daughter wants a pink room, but not nowadays. So I try to
Practically I
convince them.
think, yes.
Yeah, so I try to give that things in a many way. Like there's wardrobes are there, furniture is there,
Yes.
lightings can be a pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, so many
Any
other
highlighter
options
part
are
can
there.
be the same.
Yeah. So again, I said that colors comes in a 60, 30, and 10% is the only rule, and I think that works for me. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, to
Okay.
balancing the place, interior space with the color scheme. Yes.
Okay. So there are many elements in the room. As you said, okay, curtains are there. Any punch or any highlighting window is there. Many elements are there. I was talking about. There are many elements in the room. For example, if we take a room, so do you calculate then your theory regarding that designing? At that point, like furniture would be in 30, wall would be in 10, it would be in 60. So how you calculate while you work? What are the elements you
It's
put
very
in
basic.
60, 38,
It's
10?
very basic. See, first we go for the neutral shades. That is for the walls mostly, or maybe
Yeah.
the flooring or the ceiling, so that the whole space is covering with it 60% or 70%. So
Yes.
we never go for a darker shade flooring or black flooring. It's very rare when client asks for maybe a passage can be a black or maybe some highlighted area, not the overall area, right?
Yeah.
So, and sorry, I forgot your question.
Okay, it was different types of elements and how you apply your 60, 30, and 10%
Yeah,
in the
60,
room.
30. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so 60% is already covered with that thing. Now, if we talk about the 30% that I said can be upholstery, curtains, wallpapers, colored
Yes.
wallpapers can be in that 30%. And the only
Okay.
10%, which I say remaining 10% comes in a decorative vase, then a lampshade,
Okay. Okay.
and wall art. Yeah.
I get it.
So I think I never go with that thing that, okay, this is already 30%, but that I can
No, no, I
realize, okay,
understood.
okay, fine. This color is really highlighting and this is too much of color. Now I need to reduce and balance with neutral shade or the
I
lighter
get
shade,
it.
or maybe the same color with darker shade or the same color with the lighter shade.
Yeah, right.
So that way I can balance. If I'm
Okay.
looking for a pink color particularly, then the wardrobe can be the lighter baby pink wardrobe with some light designs and for a baby girl. And
Yeah,
the bed sheet can be the textured linen fabric, again with the
right.
white or something that way. And then the cushion comes, so that will be darker, beige, purple, pink. Then the light comes. The light can be black or gray because nowadays these colors are mainly used
Yes.
in lights, light
In
fixtures,
light.
or maybe a
Yeah.
metal, yes, or maybe a brass.
Okay. So another point came in my mind. Okay. So another point was there in my mind that you own Fuse Designs, right? So can you
Yeah.
just elaborate over it? What is Fuse? Fuse Design. Like I know, but I would like my viewers should know about that.
Okay. So we have a lot many styles in designing the interior site. Hi Pooja, how many times you're telling me? Sorry. Yeah. So being an interior designer, there are many styles. Like if I say a modern, contemporary, then minimalist, industrial
Yes.
style, mid-century
Yes.
style, traditional style, bohemian style. These are the types of styles. So when I was thinking to design, to what the name would be for my company, then there's so many styles. Let me just fusion it and make a fuse design.
Very nice.
So now people never come and ask me that I want a traditional house or I want a modern house. There's always balancing things. If we talk about the modern house, then they are like a clean lines, like a straight line house. The modern houses are like straight lines and the colors are very, there's a color
Right.
pattern. Yeah, and then the materials for the modern houses are like metal and glass mainly used. And
Yes.
if I say for the like a contemporary house, like those are the house which are not modern at all. Those have
Yeah.
a curving lines. And then when I say about the minimalist, which is very, very famous in Australia, their
Yeah.
houses are extremely minimalist. So they are neutral in the colors. and the very light accessories for the decor.
Yes.
They have a color patterns. Yeah.
Yeah. Even they use large spaces.
Sorry. 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, then there's so many like industrial. If I talk, industrial is something a raw kind of houses where you'll
Okay.
see unfinished elements like a brick, wood, exposed, like as I said, high ceilings and old timber detailing in the metal and light
Yes. Yes.
fixtures. And
Yes.
industrial house has a very functional furnitures.
Yeah.
So those were the styles. Yeah, people still go for nowadays. Industrial is also very much in. Modern is always in. Traditional is always people go for it. People has a taste. So
Taste. Yes. So in a
yeah,
same
when we
family,
talk
people
about,
have different taste.
of course, some people like
Yeah.
luxury, some people like modern, so less furniture. Some people like we heavy furniture and a vintage kind of furniture.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
you
so
came
when we
up with
place the
the
furniture and layout, the colors has to be very well balanced, applied to the walls.
okay.
And I'm sorry, this keep coming up.
Okay. Okay, so because of all this such great thought, and you came up with the fusion of all the designs, fusion of all the types of designs, and then you go with the your interior patterns.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Okay.
my personally favorite design is a bohemian design because that is the popular style for the houses and for the fashion as well. Because it is very much carefree lifestyle. The bohemian style is very much carefree and it doesn't have so much rule. Like
Okay.
you can put a vintage furniture into that kind of style house and with a light fixtures and textile rugs. You know that rugs can be heavy textile printed and those are the
Yeah.
bohemian style and I really love that these days.
Okay. So
So there are
whenever we
so
see
many
this,
types, and when I was choosing a name, and I came out that let me just fusion it, and that's how the fuse design started.
okay, and obviously your experiment got successful, and now you are there with us. And even I can say to my viewers also, as many parents really ask me કે મેમ મારું એટલે મારા છોકરાને કે છોકરીને જે બી એડમિશન લેશે ઇન્ટિરિયર ડિઝાઇનિંગ ફિલ્ડમાં તો ફ્યુચર શું છે એનું એ સિક્યોર છે એને જોબ પ્લેસમેન્ટ મળશે આમાં અર્નિંગ્સ છે like these kind of common questions and came up across during counseling. So obviously I can say okay, yes, I have one example in front of you today. You can see okay, what kind of a scope we have in our field, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah. So
for the students, I think they must clear first internship, and for the job, of course, they do have. Of course, there are so many spaces and so many interior designers and architects coming up these days.
yeah.
It's one of the, I mean, of course, why not? They'll definitely have a work and they will definitely get a success. Only they do a job or something. They should have a good experience to
Yeah.
survive in
They should.
this field. Yes, yes.
Yes. And the
I
heart.
won't advise for any student to just pass out and start your own because
True.
this field
Definitely.
needs a lot of exposure and there are everyday new materials and new fabrics and new things coming up. So
So
for a
how
new
you
beginner,
yeah,
it's difficult to cope up with that. Yeah. So
yeah.
learn
So
under
how you
someone.
keep yourself updated? How you keep yourself updated?
Myself,
Am I
yeah, I
audible?
have a small daughter. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, so I have a daughter, so she's just 4 year old. So most of the time I'm after her, and I go office 3 to 4 hours in a day.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but
So
due
if
to
an
this
initiative.
COVID, yeah, due to this COVID, luckily we are at home working in the house and yeah,
So how you're
enjoying the family
managing this
time.
COVID? Yeah, that's true. That's for everyone. Okay, she
Sorry.
is. Pooja is replying to your question.
Yeah, so I'm having good time with the family and enjoying the work as well,
Okay.
and
So
learned
also,
a
can
lot
I
of
know
cooking
how you
also. Yeah,
that everyone has done in India, I guess, cooking.
yeah, each and every
So
woman has become a chef.
yeah, this time if there will be a competition, no, about this chef wala competition, then I think India would be winning this
The
head.
first one, of course, I agree.
True.
Even
So
Surat
I
has
was
become so
also
many new
asking.
bakers. So,
True, true, very true. So I was also asking you that how you utilized this lockdown period regarding your work. Like you, did you work according to
when we got
idea?
to know that lockdown has happened, so there was no work in initial 2 months. So
Okay.
uh, I was cooking and enjoying the family time, and I used to go for the workout in the society, and that's how I enjoyed watching movies and having a great time in the house.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very
because that
nice.
time there
So
was no sense of working in the house also because we were knowing that the hard time is gonna come. Yeah.
true, true, very true.
So
So
earlier
you
in
got
this
a
June, I
little.
started office also, but then again from first I've closed because there is no progress in the market right now.
True,
So
true.
we are still waiting to start a better way, and then it's a good idea to start.
Yeah. So what are your views regarding market? Like in our field, did you find still we have a chance to grow in interiors like for future 5 years? What is your perspective?
For future 5 years, I
Yeah.
didn't got you.
Sorry.
Yeah, for future 5 years for interior designers, what are the future you wanna
Yeah,
ask?
yeah. What do you think? Yeah, can you see the future in our field regarding progress and everything?
It depends how people are taking and how serious about their work, and it is
Yes.
also a personal touch for everyone.
Okay.
I think it's going to be good only. Don't, just a year to have a bad year. That's all. Just 2020.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I hope that we
It
will have a
would
good
be
year
a
next
normal
time.
good. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
So, another thing, can you just advise, how can you decide color combinations in residential or commercial? Like residential, we talk about the much, but what do you think about commercial?
okay, commercial. When we talk, like I've done one a kids showroom, kids wear showroom, which is at Rahul Raj, and in that showroom, the again when I say the the furnitures were colorful, lighter shades
Okay.
of a blue color and a pink color, like kids wear. You see a boys wear and a girls wear. There
Yes.
was a
Yes.
differentiated, and then there was a wallpaper. Then I made a castle and some cute beautiful houses kind of a decor in the entrance while they're entering. So overall, again, the neutral shade on the walls, or maybe not the color, but I tried to give a textured wallpaper on those walls,
Okay.
and I did a wallpaper. The furniture was on lamination, a light shade of lamination, and the color, the
Okay.
ceiling was a dark with open ceiling and like what you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, dark ceiling,
Black
open dark
ceiling.
ceiling, and some beautiful lights, hanging lights, and those were the, yeah.
So
So
there,
basically, as I say, the colors and combination when we talk, it has to balance. You can't go for the red. If you go and select a red color couch, and then there should be a opposite when you see in the color palette, or maybe the color wheel, you'll see the blue color. So it's opposite. So you should mix match with those combination, which will always work. It
okay.
won't get so much, abstract kind of feel. It's a soothing kind of, but again, has to be in a minimum use.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, then
Okay.
as I said, the patterns, the textures, the wallpapers can use
Yeah.
in a different ways in interiors.
Okay. So all
Yeah,
eye-catching should be there, and the theme should be maintained. What commercial, if it is a kids wear, then you maintain that slogan. It's what is the place is about.
sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Can you please repeat?
Yeah, means I am telling you that the design you are talking about for kids wear showroom you did it. So you maintain the theme there over there while designing, while selecting the colors and everything. So as soon as people enter, they will feel कि yes, it seems to be a kid
It's a
show.
girls'
Design.
wear and it's a boys' wear. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. So there was a two side. One side was for the boys and one for the girls. So nobody comes and asks you, or we have to label it that this is girls' wear or a boys' wear. It's very easy. And when you see the clothes, you'll come to know this is the frocks and something. So this is for the girls and these are the pants and such
yeah,
clothes for the boys. So, and when you see
yeah,
the colors for the kids also, the boys usually have a blue and gray and brown colors or green colors. They never have a pink and purple kind of very very in a graphic maybe there
very
can be,
different.
but not really a color combination. So the girls are always this way, differentiated always. So it's never a
Yeah,
hard time to find out.
but being a girl, I always like
And
the blue color more.
yeah, me too. It's so cool and it's calming
Yes,
you
and
always. So me, I
yeah,
also
it
like
gives
blue color.
another feeling only. The royal blue, like indigo blue or a royal blue, like many shades in blue also. I find them
Yes.
very, highlighting for me and the taste.
Yeah, I also like blue color. I like blue, gray. I like purple. I like I like all colors actually. I like colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what a pattern you use in your design that we come to know, okay, this is Q's design work. Some interior designers, architect make a patent. They make a patent, okay, ये तो इसका ही work होगा. So what we can see in Fuse design, a common patent, yes, this is a Fuse design work.
See, I never had that kind of a symbol, kind of a statement kind of thing in my designs, but I'm very much flexible because I want to go with my client taste also, and I want to fulfill their dreams also. I want to give because they're gonna stay. So uh, I also look for has to be a beautiful aesthetically and has to be a safe has to be equally balanced also. So
Yes.
there's no statement kind of thing in my design. I always
Yeah.
try to make my clients happy and whatever they like, I just try to give them that thing.
Okay.
There's
So
nothing like a
very
fused
nice.
design statement thing. Yeah.
So, like I am thankful to you that you give your valuable time to us, to my viewers, and you shared your important points regarding color concepts and fusion designs. So, thank you so much from Virtual Institute of Design.
Thank you
That
so much for
I'll
having
be
me.
hoping that we'll be meeting soon live as you visited
Sure.
virtually right now.
Sure, sure, definitely. I'll come to your institute. Definitely. Would love to come. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So take care, and obviously, any questions you can ask me. You can put. I'm talking to my viewers now that regarding today's session, if you missed, you can watch us. We'll be posting our session live. So you can just go through any doubt. You can ask again, and we'll be sorting it out. So thank you, Vidhi. Thank you
Sure.
from the whole team that you came and you shared thoughts regarding color concepts to our institute and our viewers. So take care and have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Bye. So we had a very great session regarding color concept, and I hope you all must have learned about the technique we can apply. You know, for the beginners especially, that how you can decide the colors, K 60, 30, and 10 theory. So yes, that is equally important. And as soon as you will be into the education, for those who I'm talking about, those who are planning to get admissions, so admissions are open. You all can contact us, and these kind of important points will be taught in detail. And yes, you all can leave the messages regarding admissions and everything. And thank you everyone for watching today's session. And take care. Bye bye.